flowers today, some of my all-time favorites, and this particular one here behind me is just I think one of the ultimate cut flowers, and this is the Dahlia Wizard of Oz. It's a great flower. Some of the stems are a little short, but it still makes such a decadent cut flower. It's just a beautiful thing, and like I say, this is really, I think, my favorite cut flower. And as well as the zinnias, and we're just going to have a quick pan over to here, and we'll see the dahlia flowered zinnias here, huge blooms, and then the cactus flowered zinnias, which come in just a massive selection of different colors. Super nice plant, and just what a great cut flower as well, and just one of my favorites. So every year we try to plant a lot of dahlias and or dahlias, whichever way you like to say it, and a lot of zinnias. Zinnias are great. And, you know, the zinnias also are deer resistant as well, so it's kind of a nice touch if you do have deer around your neighborhood. And yeah, and they last and last and last. So these are flowers that I think are just really worthwhile. And then we're going to have a quick look over here at another beautiful dahlia. This thing is just amazing. It's one of the large flowered ones. I like the large flowered ones. They're quite beautiful, and they really they last quite nicely. They get a little big. They're a little big for a vase, but they're quite spectacular. We do arrange. We'll bring in a selection, probably about once a week. We bring in 3 or 4 nice big blooms and put them in a vase, just because they're so decadent. I'll get the name of this one for the video, but what a beauty that is! Just outstanding. And as far as the care goes on either dahlias or zinnias, they're both sort of similar. I have them all in a row here, all growing in very kind of poor soil conditions. They're not really super picky about the soils that they grow in, and reasonable water supply. You need to keep them consistently watered, but these went through that extreme drought we had this year, and they came out quite well, and we were able to just use a drip line to water them about every second day or so. And we always go out and spot check them with the hand watering as well, just to make sure that they're good. But ultimately, once the heat wave was over, then they were fine. They did really well, and they lasted and lasted. So really great plants, zinnias and dahlias or dahlias. They are fabulous plants, and these are a couple of my favorites, so I just wanted to show you those today. Thanks again for tuning in to GrowApproach.com.